Welcome my dear student in a digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing about linear equation in one variable and we are dealing with the statement type questions. So we did some questions now. Today we are going to start with the 10th question. That is the number of boys and girls in a classroom in a class are in the ratio 7 is to 5 and the number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total class strength? So this is our question. So to convert it into the linear equation form, first we need to read it properly. The number of boys is 8 more than girls. That means girls is not given to us. So it is very clear. We need to let first the number of girls. So let me write first, let the number of girls is equals to x. Let them equals to x. It is not given to us. Second thing, what is given? Boys are more. How many? They are 8 more than girls. That means we can write the number of boys is equals to 8 more than girls. One more information is given in the question, that is the number of boys and girls in a classroom in a ratio 7 is to 5. That means if we are dividing the girls with boys, consider that is our according to question. What is given to us? If we are dividing the ratio, the boys and girls, that means ratio is given to us. Ratio is given, that means I can write x. This is the number of boys and this is the number of girls. If we are dividing them, then we are getting answer 7 is to 5. Is it okay? Then after that it is very easy. Now it is converted into linear equation form. So do cross multiply. This 5 will go here and 7 with the x. You can write 5 into x plus 8 and here it becomes 7 into x, 7x. And open this bracket, 5 into x, 5x. 5 8 40 and it becomes 7x. Next step, this 7x we need to take this side. So as you know, by transposing it become negative and this 40 we are shifting this side, it become minus 40. Now here is a problem, when we are subtracting 5 minus 7, then answer is minus of 2x. Because we are applying always the sign of greater term. Now here you can see how to calculate after this. This 2 is in multiply, definitely it will go to division. So now after cancelling, what you will get here? 22 is 40, so x value is 20. You can cancel here, 2 1 is 2 and 22 is 40. Minus and minus is cancelled. So overall the value of x is 20. So you can write, so the number of, in the last you can write, hence the number of boys, number of girls is x, that is equals to 20. Then number of boys is more than girls. How much more? 20 plus 8, it becomes 28. So the next thing is, what is the total strength of the class? So you can write here the total strength is equals to 20 plus 28. Your answer becomes 48 students. This is your answer. I hope so, my dear student, you are able to understand this question. In this way, whenever any question is given to you in the form of a ratio, then first thing is to find out what is not given. In this case, girls are not given. I have started with the girls, then boys is 8 more, then add 8. Then next is, what is another information? That is in ratio. You can divide in same way and calculate by cross multiply and solve it. You will get the answer. Then you can find out Then in the last you need to write, hence the number of girls is equals to this, boys is this, and total strength is equals to boys plus girls. Hope so you are able to understand this question. Thank you.